Hey guys, so today I thought I would show you how to get this gorgeous sort of beach wavy hairstyle for your hair. It's really quick and really easy. Lately I have been getting into styling my hair. This literally takes 2 seconds once you get the hang of it. If you want to get these really nice natural waves to your hair, quite beach-like, then keep watching.
So after I've washed my hair in the shower, I start off by using the Frizz-Ease Extra Strength 6 Effects Serum, and I use 2 pumps of this, rub it in my hands and apply it to the ends of my hair. Then I use the Frizz-Ease Heat Defeat Spray and apply this to my damp hair to protect it from any heat tools that I'll be using. Next, I use the Vidal Sassoon Daily Hydration Hair Dryer and rough dry my hair and brush out all the knots and tangles until it's ready to style. Then I use a curling wand. This is by Diva, although any curling wand or straighteners will do, whatever you feel most comfortable using. Then I like to split my hair into 3 sections due to its thickness and hold up the rest of my hair for hair grip. Then I part my hair into 2 sections, brush out any remaining knots and twist the hair around the curling wand away from my face. I then repeat this on the second layer, again making sure I curl away from the face. Then finally I repeat this on the top layer to complete all the curls. Then I use a large round brush to loosen up the curls and make it look a lot more natural and a lot less Goldilocks. Then I use a texturizing salt spray to create a bit more roughness to the curls and finish it off by using a hairspray to hold the look in place.
So that is it for my beach wave hair tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and you can try it out at home as well, because it's so easy and so quick, and it just looks amazing at the end of it. So for those of you who don't know, I recently entered a competition with Rimmel London to win a chance to collaborate with them at their YouTube space in London. Now this competition does require a few public votes, so I'm sort of pleading myself to you guys. Basically, it would make my day if you guys could vote for me to win this amazing prize, to create great content for you guys as well, because I would just love to do that. It would just be incredible and a great kickstart to my 2016. If you guys want to know how to vote, then please follow the link down in the description box and click on the little crown to place your vote. And yeah, thank you so much if you do decide to vote, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys! Hey guys, so today I thought I would show you a what I got for Christmas video, and I was a little bit reluctant to do this because I didn't want it to come across as me bragging in any way, like look what I got and stuff like that. It's merely just me showing you what I got for Christmas, and hopefully the stuff that I show you can inspire you